Hi, I'm Barbie Wong, and I am going to share with you how to make a great video for your formal recital. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you are filming in landscape mode. That means this way on your camera if you're using a phone, so not this way, but this way. So just as you're watching this in landscape mode, that's how you will film. The next thing you do is to make sure that your camera is at a fixed angle. What that means is finding a tripod or something stable to set your camera on. It's highly discouraged to have someone hold the camera because there's some wobbliness to it. Next, you want to make sure that the video encompasses your head and upper torso, or whatever you use to make music. So for instance, if I'm playing the piano, this is a nice angle because you can see my head and upper torso, and you can see my fingers here. The next thing you need to make sure is that your lighting is really nice. So the lighting is showing and highlighting your person and the instrument, and nothing from the back. So if there's any light shining from behind me, then it will create a shadow in this general area. The next thing is to make sure that your environment is generally clutter-free. You don't need to clean your entire house, but you can put away a few things that will make the environment look much nicer. And when you do that, then you are ready to film. Because this is a formal concert, then the attire is formal. That means that you need to wear something that's really nice, so like a nice shirt. You can wear a tie or a dress. Generally, if you wear a dress or a skirt, the dress or skirt has to be below the knees. And if your hair comes and covers your face while you play, then it's really good to tie it back. Also make sure that you don't have any rings or bracelets or anything that can make sounds and detract from your performance. When you have this recital, before you begin, make sure to do an introduction. So you say your name, your teacher's name, the piece that you are playing, and the composer. After that, you can stand up and take a nice bow and then play your piece. After your piece is complete, then stand up and take another bow. So those are the steps for making a great video for your upcoming formal recital. If you have questions, you can put it in the comments below or ask your teacher. And if you are interested in figuring out how to upload this video once you have it filmed, then you can check out my other video that describes exactly how you go about doing that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful, and you can certainly like, subscribe, and follow me here and also on Facebook and Instagram. And I hope that everything goes well with you and with your concert, and I hope that you break a leg.